When? When? Where's one? By the powers vested on me as the owner of this great kingdom,
I hereby crown you IJELE of Amako Kingdom. I am also giving you this star to rule Amako in peace, in progress and prosperity. Amako kwenu! Kwenu! Mwanu! Bienu! Kwezonwa! Igwe, ngwa! Oya, kawazeni. Igwe, ogade koma. Igwe. Igwe.
Now you will experience prosperity.
Your Majesty, I had so much fun yesterday. And I even drank enough palm wine.
So many women too.
Women? No, Your Majesty. I am yet to see that maiden that will capture my heart.
Dikeh, what kind of maiden are you looking for that we do not have in this great kingdom? We have beautiful maiden from our kingdom.
Your Majesty, I know very well that we have beautiful maidens, but none of them is as beautiful as I desire.
We have beautiful maiden in our kingdom, Dikeh. Huh? Are you telling me you're not planning to get married soon?
Your Majesty, if I may ask, how did they even crown you a king without a wife?
Dikeh, that's because the seat of the queen is not vacant.
So are you now telling me that the queen mother is your wife?
Abomination.
Your Majesty.
Oh, great.
Thank you for the day.
Thank you so much.
I beg to take my leave now.
Oh, really? Guard, get a keg of palm wine and escort my friend Dikeh to our boundary.
Thank you, my king.
You are welcome. Yes. Safe journey, my friend Dikeh.
Thank you, my king.
Ebuka, listen, let me tell you. You may be my elder brother, but I will never allow you to take away this piece of land away from me.
It's a lie. That will not happen.
Ebuka, why are you bent on collecting everything our father left for us?
Hey.
Ebuka, I will never, even in my dying bed.
Hey. What is going on there?
Greetings, great royalty of our great kingdom.
And what is going on here?
It is my elder brother here. He is fighting over this land our father gave to me. All because he realized the land is more productive. Tell me, who does that to his junior brother?
It's a lie! This land belongs to me as my father's first son. Allow me to cultivate on this land for some years now because I still have yams in my barn.
Ebuka, you are lying! He's lying!
Now that I want to lay claim on it, I won't allow that to happen.
Quiet! Can both of you listen to yourselves? Real men fight at the boundaries to protect the entire kingdom from invaders. And you two are here talking about a piece of land. You better go back to the palace and resolve this issue.
Ebuka, I will not allow you! I will not allow you!
We shall see.
gods of my land. You can go now. Greet my friend. I can't believe what my eyes is saying. But I won't blame the gods. Beautiful maiden, can you stand up at least? Let me be sure of what I am seeing. I am not talking to myself, I am talking to you. Is it that you don't know me or what? Okay. Should in case you don't know me, my name is Dikeh Omenangete, the greatest warrior of all time. Sorry, I am not the greatest. I am second to the greatest. But the greatest is my very good friend. I am actually coming back from his place, and he gave me this palm wine. Is it that something is bothering you or what?
Please, if you can let me be, I'll be fine.
Good. I will only let you be if you can tell me your name and the kingdom where you come from.
You can continue to stay here and talk to yourself.
Omalicha, Dikeh Omenangete, second to the greatest of all time, is the one talking to you.
IJELE of Amako Kingdom, my only brother, the only warrior who fought and killed over 3,000 men in war fronts. May you live long, my king.
My lovely sister, thanks for all the sweet names. Tell me, what do you want me to do for you this morning as the king?
Why is it that anytime I try to praise my lovely brother, he starts to think that I want a favor from him?
If you tell me the last time you showered praises on me without expecting anything, then I will.
You caught me, my king. Anyways, I want to ask you for something very important.
What is it?
My king, it is about your friend Dikeh. Does he have a wife in his village?
He doesn't have a wife. What is the problem?
Then, please, I want you to talk to him about me. Tell him you have a lovely sister who is a princess. I would want him to marry me.
What nonsense are you talking about, Princess Ini Edo? We deserve some respect in this family.
My king, please. I love him so much. I admire him a lot. I just want you to talk to him on my behalf.
It's not possible. It's not possible!
Why is it not possible? You are now the king. Whatever you say goes. My king, please.
I said we deserve some respect in this family.
Why is it not possible?
I said it is not possible.
What is not possible?
Mother.
What is not possible?
It's a conversation between us. Brother, am I right?
Yes, mother. It's a conversation between a brother and a sister.
I beg to take my leave now.
In the land.
Omalicha, I am sorry. Maybe I approach you in a wrong manner. I will start again. The most beautiful one. You are the prettiest maiden I have ever set my eyes on. Please, can you do me the honor to admire and appreciate your beauty? Okay. Can you at least tell me your name and the name of your kingdom?
Not today.
Excuse me. If my brother won't talk to him about it, I will talk to him myself.
Yes, my princess. I think we should think of a better way for you to tell him.
Right?
Yes.
My princess, I think you should walk up to him and tell him about it the next time you visit the palace.
Exactly. Why not send words across to him and let him know that Princess Oludo wants to see him? And then that would be the biggest mistake to make, my princess.
Please shut up, Adugo. What do you know?
Shut up and allow her to talk.
Sorry,
Adugo,
princess.
what makes you think that it will be a big mistake?
It will make you look desperate, my princess. And men don't like women that are desperate for their love. It gives him the ego to distance themselves from the women.
Adugo, what are you saying? Men also like women that are submissive.
Yes, you're right. Men like submissive women. But the submission should come when the woman and the man are together.
Interesting. It seems you know more, Adugo. So tell me, what should I do to capture his heart?
The first thing to do, my princess, is to win the Igwe's heart. Give Igwe reasons to constantly talk good things about you in his ears. And then he will start developing love for you.
Wow. Interesting. Adugo. So tell me, how do I do it?
My princess, you know, warriors don't play with their stomach. Find a way to get to the Igwe's stomach, and then he might invite his friend to join him.
Good. You have a good point, Adugo. I think it's about time I promote you.
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
I think I should organize a dancing competition. I mean, for all the maidens of our 5 kingdoms. For you to select from amongst them the one your heart desires.
That sounds interesting. Will the maiden I desire also desire me?
What are you talking? Which maiden of our kingdom will not desire you? I am very sure that the maidens of our land desire you. It left for you to point the one your heart goes to.
Well, I do not think that is the best way for me to go about finding my own wife. I want a maiden approved by the gods through a dream or through a great seer, that which cannot tell lies.
How can the gods approve a maiden for you when you have not searched for one?
The gods have never failed me. So why should I worry? I will definitely see a maiden that desires me. You, get me my keg of palm wine. Go.
Obiangeri? 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 Please come. Come. I want to tell you something.
Okay. Brother, you came back too early. I wasn't expecting you.
Come outside now, you useless fool.
Yeah, brother, what are you talking about?
You will understand what I am talking about by the time I go inside that hut and strangle that useless weakling. Come outside now!
Brother, I don't know what you're talking about, though.
You dare not call me a weakling.
Nabem. Eh? What you?
Dikeh, leave him alone! Please leave him! You want to kill him! Dikeh, you want to kill him! Dikeh.
You see what I'm saying? That this useless weakling is not man enough to be your lover. Listen to me. The next time I am going to see you anywhere close to my sister.
Obi. Dikeh, one day, why are you doing this? But I don't like this thing I'm doing. No. Obi.
Who is calling for help?
Your Highness, I don't understand.
Can't you hear the voice calling for help?
What voice, Your Highness?
Did you hear the voice calling for help?
Your Highness, what voice are you talking about?
You must be deaf. You mean you can't hear the voice calling for help?
Your Highness, I can't hear any voice.
Okay, don't go with me. I will go alone.
But Your Highness, you can't leave the palace alone.
Obiangeri, are you still angry? I have apologized to you. The truth is that useless weakling must prove to me that he is a man.
Udokolo is not a weakling. He just doesn't match your strength.
Obiangeri, there is only one man in this entire kingdom that matches my strength. But at least Udokolo should prove to me that he is strong.
Everybody is not a wrestler like you. He's a productive farmer, and his success story lies in farming, Dikeh.
A productive farmer, like you said. Let me now ask you. For instance, invaders attack him in the farm. Can he protect himself? Can he?
No one is invading this kingdom. The closest place to this kingdom is Okotoburu. No one passes through that land and survive. Just let my loved one be, please, Dikeh one name.
Your so-called loved one is not permitted to come to this hut. He is not your husband yet. Don't bring him here.
But you've refused to collect his bride price, which is why I miss Mama and Papa. Had it been they were alive, they would have accepted him.
This is where you are wrong. Had it been our father is still alive today, I know our father very well, and he will make sure that useless weakling prove himself to be a man before he will accept him to marry you.
Dikeh one name, Udokolo is not a weakling. And please, let him be. Please, leave my loved one to be.
Never.
Leave Udokolo alone, please.
He must be a man before I will allow him to marry you.
Olisa biko batara mose maka iju amo ye kamga koro akuku amo ye kamga koro Olisa biko batara mose maka.
Maiden, I heard your voice from afar. What is it?
Help me. Please.
Help you? What kind of help do you need?
Help me. Please.
You don't even know who is here to help you. My name is IJELE. I heard your voice from afar, and I traced your voice down here. Anyway, turn around, and I will help you. What is it? Who chained you up like a slave? Anyway, don't mind. I will untie you. What? She disappeared.
Igwe.
Ah. Ini, was I sleeping?
Yes. And if I had not come out to urinate, you might sleep here till tomorrow morning.
I didn't plan sleeping here. Somehow I slept off.
And the guards didn't even care to wake you up.
I instructed them not to wake me whenever I'm sleeping. They are under instruction. Was I really sleeping?
What sort of question is that? Are you drunk?
Ini, it was real.
What was real?
It was real, Ini. It was real. I'd rather not talk about it.
Dikeh, one name. Are you still angry? I'm sorry.
Obiangeli, I am not angry because of what you did.
Then why are you angry?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
You're not fine. Please talk to me. See, Dikeh, I won't go to bed happy and certainly will not wake up happy if you don't tell me what the problem is.
Obiangeli, I don't know how this will sound to you, but if you insist, then I will tell you.
Okay.
Obiangeli,
Dikeh,
I am in love.
what did you say?
I said I am in love.
With who?
With a maiden I don't know where she's from.
So you were humbled by a maiden you saw, and she could not even tell you her name or where she's from. And you came back here to beat my own lover, Dokolo.
Obiangeli, the truth of this matter is that I don't even know this maiden's name or where she's from. First, I was caught by her beauty. Secondly, I was humbled by her confidence.
Can you hear yourself? I was humbled by her beauty. I was caught by her beauty, and you came back here to beat my own lover. Dikeh, you're not serious. Excuse me.
No. That maiden, I must find her. I will prove to her that I am a man. I must find that maiden.
I am the priestess of this community. I am very powerful. I see the spirits and the living. No! No! Yoyo metalo. Ojilisia. Buru.
now. Let me just wash up. See what this summertime costs my skin.
My princess.
Yeah. I hope everything are ready for the cooking.
Yes, my princess.
Good. I will do the cooking myself.
Okay, my princess.
Let's go.
This is not the kind of dream I should have. I am confused.
A maiden in chains is a mysterious dream. Slave trade has long been abolished.
Mother, I ask myself the same question. Why should I dream about a maiden in chains when slave trade has been abolished for years?
And why did she disappear if she wanted you to help?
I wonder.
Honestly, I don't want to believe the story you just told me.
Mother, this is not a story. It happened. It is real. In my dreams, I saw it. It is real. It was like in the present.
Well, the dream you had might be true. But I don't want to believe it.
Mother, you have to believe me. It was real. I saw it. In my dream, I saw it. It was real, Mother.
What are you making still here? Is this not your water pot?
No.
Let's go.
I almost got lost.
Look at how a great warrior is making a coward of himself, all in the name of love.
So how do you know it is love that kept him here?
If not for love, what else will make a man come to the stream and be looking at every woman's face just like that?
Well, anything, many things can make him be here. You do not judge people because of how you feel. I mean, you judge people because of what you know to be true.
Were you not here when he was busy looking at every woman's face? Huh? Were you not here?
It means maybe he might be looking for a maiden that stole something from him. Or maybe maidens who said something bad about him, just like we here, right?
I do not understand what you are talking about. Please. You maidens should forget about all of this argument. It's not our business, whether falling in love or standing in love. Let's go, please. I don't know. Let's go.
No. I am not living here today. I don't care how long it will take me to see her. I must see her today.
Please talk to me. Stop avoiding me, Obim.
What do you mean by I should stop avoiding you? You were there when your brother almost strangled me to death. And you did nothing.
But you were also there when I challenged him to leave. Please, my love.
Oh, you call that you did, challenging him? Oh, had it been he killed me, they would have said he died out of IJELE. I see no IJELE of no queer.
Obim, please. Don't leave me, please. Obim, please. Bikono. Obim.
I can't do this.
Obim, please. Don't leave.
This family is really insane. The brother is at the stream, looking for maidens. And here is the sister, on the pathway begging a man for love. In Nokwa.
You see what you've caused? I get insults everywhere I go, all because of you.
Obim, don't leave
Don't
me.
become me.
Obim, please.
I can't do this any longer.
Obim, please.
I can't take this.
Obim, don't leave. Obim, please. Obim.
May you live long, my pink. May you live long, my queen.
Thank you, my beautiful daughter.
Mother, I prepared a very delicious soup. I would want both of you to have a taste.
Delicious soup?
Yes.
When did you start cooking?
I have always been a very good cook. It's just that having mates around me wouldn't allow me to do that.
She's telling the truth. When you were young and busy hunting in our forest with your late father, I was teaching her how to cook.
Interesting. Well, I know something is behind the idea of you trying to cook for me.
Is it now a crime to cook for my lovely brother who is now a king? Is it?
Well, it's not a crime, mother.
All these questions are not necessary now until you are done eating. Go and bring him the food.
Thank you, mother. Help! Help!
You again. You again. You disappeared the last time I tried to help you. Anyway, I am a generous king. All I want is peace and harmony in my land. I will help you. You disappeared again.
Here is the food, my king.
Let me see.
Okay.
What? IJELE, what is it? What happened?
Mother,
No!
I just saw her face. I just saw her face serving me now.
Whose face are you talking about?
The slave girl. I saw her now. She was the one serving me.
Do you know what it took me to prepare that food he threw away?
It wasn't intentional, my princess.
What do you mean by it wasn't intentional? You were there, you saw how everything happened. You are telling me it wasn't intentional. Then whose fault is it? My own fault?
My princess, I think the Igwe is traumatized.
Traumatized? Don't you utter those words again. Do you know who my brother is? Eh? A warrior who fought over 3,000 men. You are telling me that he's traumatized. What will make him to be traumatized anyway?
It is true, my princess. I overheard him telling the queen of the strange vision he has been having with a maiden in chain. That's the slave maiden he saw.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Please. I am looking for a maiden. And this very maiden is beautiful. And she
You
is...
have asked us the same question in the morning. Why are you asking me again?
Were you here in the morning?
Yes, I was.
You're supposed to know the maiden I am talking about.
I don't know any maiden you're talking about.
Oh, it's obvious I won't find her.
It would have been better if you had told me her name.
I think it's time you involve the gods in this matter. It's time you invite the seer, the priestess of this kingdom. She's the only one that has answer to your questions.
I think I have to go and see her myself. Follow me.
I heard you went to the river to look for a maiden. Is it true?
It is true. Is there any problem?
How can you do such a thing? A warrior like you, going to a river to look for a maiden.
I went to the river to search for the maiden that captured my heart. Is there any problem with my decision?
Have you seen being a warrior doesn't make you a brave man? Brave men don't go after women, but women come after them.
Obiangeri, this very maiden we are talking about here is not just ordinary maiden. She is totally different from every other maiden.
I am not talking about the maiden. I am talking about the man. Do you hear what those maiden were saying about you in the river? They even call you a coward and even spoke terrible things about Udokolo.
I don't care about what they say about me or your useless weakling man. The fact still remains I can crush and devour him with my bare hands.
The question you ask, it is not in my position to tell you what is happening to you.
Priestess of this great kingdom, you are the great seer, and you hold the highest spiritual authority in this kingdom. How come the gods cannot tell me that which I seek?
The answers you seek are too heavy for you. Just ignore the visions whenever it comes to you, and the slave maiden will stop coming after you.
What is the secret? There is nothing IJELE cannot handle.
You do know I am the priestess, but what you don't know is that I speak from the gods.
How come the gods cannot tell me that which I want to know?
You do know already. Ignore that maiden slave. Stop seeking to help her. She will stop coming after you. Go!
What am I hearing? It sounds like the voice of a maiden.
Listen.
No. Where is this noise coming from?
Akụkọ m onye ka m ga-akọrọ
ihe onye metere o jiri isi ya wee bụrụ. Olisa o biko gbatara m ọsọ enyemaka. Iju ụwa m onye ka m ga-akọrọ.
Listen, Medians. I'm not here to play games with you. Okay? Anytime I try to help you, you make it difficult for me to help you. And I'm tired. And this will be the last time I will help you.
You can't help me with that sword. I am scared of it.
The sword?
Yes.
Tell me, how else do I help you?
I'm trapped in the land of Okotobulu. If you want to save me, come to the land and save me.
Okotobulu? What is your name?
Help me. Please, help me.
She disappeared again.
Beautiful maiden. We meet again today.
Greetings, the greatest warrior. Or?
Not the greatest. Second to the greatest.
I see.
I have been searching for you everywhere. Had it been you told me your name, I would have found you.
My name is Mirima. That's all I can say for now.
Why telling me only your name? Don't you want me to find you anytime I want?
You can't find me anytime you wish to see me, even if I tell you where I'm from.
My name is Dikeh, and there is no place in this kingdom that I am not known. And there is no place in this kingdom that I cannot enter anytime I want and however I wish.
I'm from Okotoburu. Can you find me there?
Okotoburu. Okotoburu is the land of the spirit, and no man goes there and comes back alive.
You see? I just mentioned the name and you became afraid.
I am not afraid and can never be afraid. I'm just curious to know how is it possible for someone to be alive in the land of the spirit.
My family is trapped by the gods in the land of the spirit. I'm only permitted to come and fend for them in the land of the living because we cannot eat anything from the land of the spirit.
Did you want your family to be saved?
Everybody loves freedom. I would love my family to be saved so that we can return to the land of the living.
If I do that, will you marry me?
No one can. No man can do that.
If I do that, will you marry me?
Yes, I'll marry you.
Then swear by the gods that you will marry me if I do that.
I swear by the gods, I will marry you if you save my family from the land of the spirits.
Let me go home and prepare. I am coming to the land of the spirit for your sake.
Very well then.
Mirimba.
Elders, what I'm asking is for you to give me a warrior, each from the clan, so that we can journey into the land of Okotobulu.
IJELE, you are yet to tell us your main reason of venturing into the spirit world with our great warriors.
Oh no, there's this maiden I need to go and rescue. She's been held captive in the land of the spirits, and I have to go and save her.
This maiden that you want to go and save, does she have a family in this kingdom?
Well, until she's been rescued, I don't know about that.
Igwe, Kanjuge. So, you want each and every one of us here to give you our warriors so you could go rescue a maiden you know nothing about?
I've just told you, it has been revealed to me by the gods. She could be the next queen of this great kingdom. And I need to go and rescue her.
Igwe. Genti. There are many maidens in this kingdom. In our various villages. You could pick one of them. IJELE. Pick one of them. Oh no, I say. Pick one of them and make her your next queen, Igwe.
I am talking about the one the gods have approved. I have to go and save her.
IJELE. There are procedures in which we follow to send our gallant warriors into battle. Let me be honest with you, Igwe. It will not pay us any good to send our warriors to just go and die in the battlefield for sacred reasons, for that matter.
You call that sacred reasons?
Yes, Igwe, we are sorry. We cannot give you any of our warriors.
Oh no, what are the procedures? Tell me. Lay your cards on the table. What are the procedures, oh no?
Chima! Come.
What is it?
Come.
Come. What happened?
You need to go in there, pack your things and leave to our maternal home. This land is haunted. I do not want anything to happen to you.
Why?
Every firstborn is haunted. I do not want anything to happen to you. So go in there, pack your things and go to our maternal home. Tell grandma I will come and see her later. Go in.
One name. I'm not the firstborn.
I know you're not the firstborn, neither am I. Look, I do not want anything to happen to you. Just go in there, pack your things and go to maternal home. Tell grandma I will see her later. Go in, go.
Okay.
Don't ask questions. Just go in.
Obiangeri?
Brother.
Come.
There is a bushmeat today. Prepare it and make yourself comfortable. I am crossing over to Aguyi River to see my friend. It is very urgent. If you like, invite that useless weakling. If I come back and meet him here, I promise you that I am going to tear him into pieces.
Why do you want me to die before my time, son?
Mother, you are not going to die before your time. I have to do this. I have to obey the will of the gods.
This is not the will of the gods. This is the desire of your heart.
How is it the desire of my heart when I keep seeing her in my dreams?
But the chief priestess told you to stop thinking about her so that she will stop appearing in your dreams.
Mother, I've never thought about her. I just started seeing her in my dreams. Ah! Dikeh! Dikeh, my friend.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, Dikeh. You're welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
Ah, Dikeh.
IJELE.
I was about sending for you. How did you know that I need you in my chamber?
I was actually at your palace.
Okay.
Before your guards told me that you are having a serious conversation with your mother.
Yes.
In your private chamber.
Yes.
My king.
How are you?
I'm fine, my king.
How was the journey?
Very fine. There is something important I want to discuss with you.
Sit down, let us discuss.
Thank you.
How was the journey?
I'm only here because I heard that you were sick.
Please sit.
What exactly am I doing here?
I know you weren't going to come if I didn't say I was sick.
Please. Do not, never call me to this place again.
You can't continue being scared of my brother. That is why he doesn't want us to be together.
Oh, is that what you think? That I am afraid of your brother? I am not. Have you seen your brother? He's too huge, too big for me.
I didn't say you're scared of my brother, Obim. I only want you to act like a brave man. Don't stop coming here because of him.
I am brave. I am not in any competition with him.
Then make him feel that you're a brave man. Don't be scared of him.
I don't want to die yet.
Obim, then you have to get me pregnant so we can be together.
Oh, she's not pregnant. Do you want us to die? Wait, do you want your brother to kill me?
Obim, no. Just get me pregnant so we can be together.
See, I love you, but I love myself as well. I do not want to lose my life trying to get you.
Obim, I know. But you just have to get me pregnant so we can be together.
No, for now, I have to take care of your brother. Just stay safe, all right?
Obim.
We'll have to talk later.
Obim, please.
I will see.
Obim. Please don't leave. Obim.
That is it, Your Majesty. And that is why I am here to see you.
Ha, Dikeh.
Your Majesty.
The gods are working in a mysterious way. This journey is already ordained by the gods.
Your Majesty, am I missing anything?
A lot happened. Oh, greetings. Dikeh, a lot has happened since the last time you came. Do not worry, I'm going to tell you everything.
Please, I am listening.
My princess, Dikeh the great warrior is in the palace.
Dikeh is here?
He is in Igwe's chamber as we speak.
Right? Yes. Dikeh is here. Let me go and see him.
No, my princess. Do not rush him. Allow him calm down and discuss with IJELE. And after that, you can present yourself to him.
You are right. Let me sit and wait.
Yes, my princess.
Your Majesty, that was exactly the same story she told me. That means there must be sisters.
Yes, they are sisters. And that is the reason why we have to embark on this journey.
Yes, Your Majesty, and I can promise you that you are not going to that land of spirit alone. Because I have already made promises that I will go to that land of spirit and save her family. Your Majesty, what is the problem with the Queen?
My mother doesn't want us to embark on that journey. She's afraid we might not come back alive.
Your Majesty, even the gods knows there will be a serious trouble the moment we step our foot into that land of spirit.
I told her even demons are scared of us. We have to embark on that journey.
Yes. Well, Your Majesty, that is the love of a mother for her children. But we, the men, will always go against their will because we want to prove our love for the one we want them to be the mother of our children. Your Majesty, I will be on my way now. Let me go and prepare.
Okay, Dikeh. I will hear from you very soon. Dikeh!
Dikeh.
Beautiful
You came to
princess.
see us.
Yes, but I am leaving.
Stay behind and have dinner with us. I promise to make a delicious meal for you.
Beautiful princess. It will be my pleasure and desire to stay back. But there is something important and urgent IJELE and I needed to attend to.
It's okay. Maybe some other time.
Thank you for your understanding. Your Majesty.
Dikeh.
Go well. Thank you, my king.
My king,
How are you?
what would you like to have for dinner?
Anything you prepare.
What about mother? I thought she was here a few minutes ago.
All I do. I have a lot to think about right now. Please just leave me alone for now.
As you wish, my king.
The journey they went to embark on is a very disastrous one. They can avoid the agonies of the adventure by simply forgetting the visions of the girls they see.
I cannot stop my son from that adventure. You know he's like his father. I only came to seek if he will come back alive.
Has anyone been to the land of the spirit and returned alive?
My son can be an exemption. Can the gods not spare his life?
The gods are silent. They don't want to interfere in woman's will. But their mercies and love can be triggered, which is the only way your son may return alive.
What sacrifice do I have to make to trigger the love and mercies of the gods on behalf of my son?
It is not by sacrifices, my queen. The love and mercies of the gods can be triggered even at the point of no return in the land of the spirit.
Stop playing with me. Just tell me the truth. Will my son come back alive?
I don't have answers to that question, but I can only pray as they embark on this journey.
Son, please, I beg you in the name of your late father, who gave you this throne, do not leave this kingdom for any reason, for your enemies are within.
My mother, have you forgotten the battles I have fought? Suddenly you've just forgotten everything about me. I will be back.
It is not about you coming back. It is about coming back to meet your kingdom in shackles.
Are you telling me yourself and my sister cannot take care of this kingdom, protect this kingdom in my absence?
Of course we can. But on one condition.
Which is?
You have to revoke the ban.
The ban.
How am I to prove it to you? As long as it's not fighting you.
You can't fight me. If you try that, I am going to strangle you instantly. But I want you to fight alongside with me.
Against who?
I am going to Okotobulu in the next Eke Market Day. I am going there to rescue a maiden whose family has been trapped by an evil spirit in that land. If you can come with me to that land and come back alive, I will allow you to marry my sister in peace.
Okotobulu, the land of the spirit. I have never for once heard that anyone enters that land of the spirit and returns alive. That is where you want me to go with you, just to prove my love for your sister. Abapumia, akama adroya. Biko, Dikeh, akama adroya.
You are a weakling. You are a coward and you can never marry my sister.
I agree. At this point, I agree.